The pre-feasibility study was based on a mine, combined underground and open pit mine producing 3.5 million pounds on average per year, with a processing plant capable of 3,500 tons a day. And the return on investment from that project showed excellent returns, up to 37% return on investment. So we're very excited to be able to move this project forward to the next step. We're very pleased to have that permit in hand. It's a 3-year extension to our exploration licenses, which is one of 2 licenses we have at the Dornod property. We're at an advanced stage. This is not an exploration deposit. This is a mining deposit that's been well looked at by the Russians. So we have all the drilling information we need to be able to put this mine back into production in a short period of time. The 43-101 was completed last year as part of our pre-feasibility study, and it shows that the total resource for the project is 64 million pounds of U3O8, of which 49 million pounds are in the probable reserve category. This represents a huge amount of money. If you take uranium at approximately $100 per pound, and it's $95 now per pound long term, that represents about $4.9 billion worth of uranium. We plan to bring the mine into production within 3 to 4 years, and this year we're going to complete our feasibility study and also bring in power onto the property so that we can start our dewatering campaign next year. And also sometime between this year and next year, we will also enter into an investment agreement with the government of Mongolia. Of course, Mongolia has been going through a very difficult time in the last 2 years, but we feel now that with the new Prime Minister and a new cabinet and a more forward-looking and open approach to investment and the presence of foreign companies, that more difficult times are over. And of course, Mongolia is also situated between Russia and China, 2 superpowers who are developing their nuclear power industry at a great rate, and we are perfectly positioned to be able to supply either or both of those countries with the yellow cake they need for their new nuclear power plants. Well, we're very excited about the future. This year, as I've mentioned already, we're going to complete the feasibility study and also bring power into the property. And next year we're going to be dewatering the mine and also enter into negotiations with the government for an investment agreement.